Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 GMC Terrain, and this is a great SUV, especially if you're looking for something that has a media center, heated seats, and more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. Love this blacked out grille with your GMC badging in red, really stands out. You have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below, and this has a 2.4 liter engine. Looking down at your wheels, again, they have a great design. These are 18-inch alloy wheels, and this could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000 mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information on that. Then looking at your side mirrors, they are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black and white cloth seats. You have that mesh in the middle, super comfortable and heated, so that's just awesome. You have your steering wheel here with your cruise control settings, Bluetooth streaming, media controls all on the front. And then looking over at your media center, you have your radio options right there with all of your different source options. You can subscribe to XM radio if you choose to. But here are all of your different apps that you can utilize and subscribe to. All of your settings and everything can be found there for just everything you need. And when your vehicle is on and in reverse, you have a backup camera with those guidelines to help you, back into a parking spot, back out of a tight lot or anything. You also have all of your radio controls here, your climate controls below that with your heated seats buttons right there. Then below you have this shelf that has a 12-volt in the back. Your eco button is there, and then you have your 2 cup holders. Then looking into your center console, lots of room. This does pop out. And then you have a USB port, aux port, and another 12-volt. Looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable. And making your way out, this has a Pioneer sound system. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have your cup holder armrest that can fold down, and you have a 12-volt on the floor. These seats can also fold down, so if you want to have more space in your trunk, this gives you a lot of room. Making your way around the side, you have your roof rack up top, lip spoiler, and your LED tail lamps, plus that back windshield wiper. You also have your all-wheel drive badging, and you have remote start on your key fob right there. So let's take a look into this trunk, where it is super spacious. I love the amount of space, just length and height, so you can fit a lot of stuff back here. You also have your spare tire located underneath. So overall, I love this vehicle. Really spacious inside. Those seats are really comfortable, plus they're heated, and you have that media center. So if you want to see this GMC or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.